When families grow, they need a home that grows with them. One of the most common ways builders and remodelers accommodate this is by building the above garage bedroom. For most builders, it's a great solution. There's only one drawback though, and that's the drafty temperatures and lack of soundproofing that often results from cold or hot outdoor air and noise finding its way through the garage below and into the upper bedroom. Why? A big reason the upper bedroom feels so drafty is because the only thing keeping cold or hot air out is the bedroom floor, the joist between it, and the drywall found in the garage ceiling. Fairfield Homes recognized this lost opportunity and saw how true building science could help. Unlike the floor, joist, drywall setup that other builders use, Fairfield uses controlled spray foam insulation to seal up all gaps in the joists between the upper bedroom and garage below. We take it even further by 2 extra layers of energy protection by first adding a layer of R30 Batt insulation, then installing a final layer of drywall. To top it off, Fairfield's insulated garage door and insulated walls literally seal the deal, keeping temperatures in the garage warm. Better insulation leads to greater comfort for your family and friends, and less noise from below too.